So in this video, we are required to find the mean, the median, the mode, and the range of this data set. First of all, before I solve this, we have to understand that this is, number one, an ungrouped data. And number two, it is a non-frequency distribution, even though we can express it as a frequency distribution, but it will not make sense, right? So now, how do we find the mean? There are two ways by which there are two major formulas for determining mean. We have the mean for group data, we have the mean for frequency distribution, and we have mean for ungrouped data. But this is an ungrouped data and it's also a non-frequency distribution. So the mean of this data, mean, which is often represented by x bar, that's the arithmetic mean, will be what? Summation x over n. Summation x in this case is the summation of the data entry, or summation of the observation, while n represent number of observations. So summation x is the what? Sum of what? Of observation. Okay, while n is the what? Number, right, of what? Observation. So basically, this is an ungrouped data and is a non-frequency distribution. So this is the formula for the mean. So let's quickly determine the mean. So we have that the mean summation x will now be sum of the observation. That will be what? 132 plus 149 plus 152 plus 164 plus 164 plus 175. Now divided by the number of observations. How many observations do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 divided by 6. So if you add this, 132 plus 149 plus 152 plus 164, and this will give you us 936. So that will be 936 divided by 6. So 936 divided by 6 from my calculation will give us 150 6. So the average of this data is actually 156. That is that. Then the next one is median. So what is the median? The median for a set of data like this is determined by first arranging the data in order of magnitude, specifically in ascending order of magnitude. Now let me check if this is arranged in ascending order of magnitude. Okay, 132, 149, 150, 164, 164, 165. Yeah, it is arranged in ascending order of magnitude. Now the next thing is, how many observations do we have? We have what? 6. 6 observation implies that the median is the number of observation is even. So the median will not be the arithmetic mean of the two middle items, because if I split this into 2, 3 to this side, 3 to this side, I won't be able to get the median. I get in. So for me to get the median, I will only pick these 2, then I'll pick this other 2. That's why. So I'll take the arithmetic mean of 152 and 164. So without understanding, my median will now be equal to what? 152 plus 164 divided by 2, because n is even. All right. So, and that will give us what? 316 divided by 2, and 316 divided by 2 will give us 158. So the median of that set of data is what? 158. Then we might move on to mode. So when we say mode is the number that occurred the most. And thankfully, this data is not that too large, so there's no need for us to create a frequency table for it. So which number appears the most? From what I'm seeing here, we have 164. No, let me use yellow. We have 164 here. 164 is here, And we also have another 164 here. So 164 appears the most. So in that case, the mode of the data, right? The mode, right, in this case is 164. The mode is what? 164, right? It's occurred twice and mostly, right, in the data set, in the what? Data set. Then the last one we want to look for is the what? Range. So what is range? Range is the difference between the highest number and the lowest and the least number. The least number in this data set is actually what? 132, and the highest is what? 175. So what will be the range? So the range in this case, right, in this case will now be what? 175 minus what? 132. And 175 minus 132 will give us what? 43. Right. I want to believe this video has helped someone. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Most importantly, please kindly check the next slide to see how you can give donation to support what we are doing if this video has actually been a source of help to you. See you in the next video. Thank you.